What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy FaTkaT. Of course, you guys see my man Kevin back there, man, hanging out. I should come over here, man. So if you guys don't know, when I had my Passat, he was the one who sold me my Passat, man. Great dude, great dealership, man. And we all just kind of kept in contact. So I came over here to show him Christine because I ended up trading in my Passat. If you guys don't know, I traded in my Passat and my BMW, but I had a brand new Passat that had a few months. I traded that in for Christine, man. And then like I've just never got the chance to come back over here to show him the car that I ended up trading in the Passat for. But we did a couple of videos before, like of other cars and stuff like that he's had, new inventory and things like that. But I just never got a chance to show him that. So I came back to show him Christine. What you think about Christine, man? That's her name, Christine, by the way. Her name is Christine.
I'm very impressed. Very impressed, man. I love all the features. I love the tires. I love the engine, the lights in the engine. I'm blown away.
Doing a good job so far, huh? Hey, it is, and let me tell you, and it's a different. I'll take you for a ride in it one.
Okay.
If we got time, whatever. But it's a different animal than that Passat.
Oh, okay.
It's a different animal than that Passat.
It's not in the same universe.
Oh, it's not even in the same. So we're gonna go inside real quick. So like I just told him, man, I was like, what I need to do is, man, it was twofold, man. I need to come over here. I wanted to show him that, right? And then two, I just talked to him, man, I need to go ahead and get me something else. As you guys know, I need to go and get me something else so I could park Christine, because one, I'm getting way too many miles on her. And two, as you guys know, man, other people just don't really, they're not, I don't know what's the way right. Yeah, they're just not car people, which I understand. So, they hit your car, this and that, and plus just natural things on the highway, rocks and whatever it is. Anyway, so what I'm trying to get at is I need to preserve this car as much as I can, because, I mean, she's Christine, man, so I want to make sure Christine stays as pristine as possible. Like that, huh? Anyway, so I'm going to talk to my dude right here, man, see what they got on the lot, see if they even got like a used 18, because I'm going to tell you something about the Passat.
Okay.
So when I first bought the Passat, I was like, man, I always like the body style on the Passat, right? But then I was driving and I was like, man, I need to get something else because it just don't have the power. And I would tell you that 100%. The Passat, one thing they do lack is the power. Right. The 2.0 turbo anyway. But that's why I went and got this. But now that I got this in the garage, I won't mind driving the Passat, because I know if I ever need that rush, if I ever need that, I'm just gonna go out there and get on it. I know I got something I could get on.
For the most part, the Passat is going to be a family car anyway, so it's not going to have the power that you obviously want to play with.
But I'm gonna tell you though, I still can't stop looking at them. Every time I see a Passat on the highway or whatever like that, is a good looking car, man. The styling is great styling. It looks great. It's just underpowered. But like I said, I won't have the issue anymore because I already got something. If I need to, I got something that could go and whatever. If I need something, but nothing could beat the gas mileage for the Volkswagen, especially Passat being a bigger car. Nothing could beat that gas mileage. And on top of that, it's a family car. It's huge inside and everything else. Anyway, man, let's go take a look at some of them, and we'll get with y'all in a second. So I am here at Brandon Volkswagen, man. That's the reason why I came up here, man. Hey, I think these are like the new Arteons or something like that. This is actually kind of nice, man. Let's see what it is. Yep, 2019 Arteon. There you go, Arteon 2.0T. 43 grand though. Woohoo! Y'all don't see that. That's $43,000 for this car, Volkswagen Arteon. It looks pretty good though. But hey, look at this right here, man. This is what I used to have before Passat. This is the 2017? 16. Yeah. Oh, it's 2016 Passat, man. I like this color. 24,000 miles. Mine was a what do we call that? Like a smoke gray or something like that. Yeah, but this is 2016. Like I said, it looked pretty much exactly the same. Actually, it is exactly the same. But yeah, man, what you guys think about this? I might get into this, man, as a daily driver. 2.0. This is the 2.0T still, right? 2.0T still? Yeah, man. Let's go inside and take it for a quick ride. Oh, this brings back memories, man.
The room in this car is amazing.
Now that is true though. So off the bat, I would say, man, the only thing, the difference between this one and the one I had was this one does not have leather, as you guys can see. It has cloth. But to be honest, with the car that you're going to use on a daily basis and everything else, I mean, the leather in the Volkswagen, when it's kept outside or even inside, you know, it's, I don't know, it's weird. It's weird to say. I don't want to say it was like,
It's hard.
yeah, it was, you know, it's kind of like cold, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like hard and stuff like that, man. Because it's not, I mean, it is what it is. It's a Volkswagen. It's not a,
Right.
it's not a Lexus or Mercedes or something like that, right?
Right.
Let me answer that.
Hey, good afternoon, y'all. This is Kevin at Brandon Volkswagen, Facebook, my Mr. Car Guy.
And he went ahead and shot all his stuff. I didn't even say I said you want to do the honors to record. Hey, man. How you going? Hey, he took the camera and was like, hey, let me go ahead and plug my stuff.
Whenever I can get it. Whenever I can get my bitch up.
Hey, get it in, bro. Get it in. Now, go ahead and plug your stuff, though. Actually, I was going to do that anyway. It was funny. You was like, hey, what's going on, man? This is Kevin. Go ahead, man.
Man, I'm here, y'all. I'm here to break the whole stigma of a used car salesman. I'm tired of putting people in used cars and end up paying warrant. You have to pay for warranties. I'm putting people in brand new cars. I'm helping you repair your credit. Y'all get at me. 813-562-7823. Ask for Kevin. I got you.
Hey, and let me tell you, man, I can attest to it because let me tell you, and I bought a new car. Let me put that first. This is obviously a used car, but when I first came to him, man, I bought a new car because my X5 had messed up. Where it was messing up anyway, and then so I came in. I was like, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and just get a new car, right? So I came in here, talked to Kevin. Let me tell you, he hooked me up. I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna sugarcoat. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna say this. Put it like this, man. So I bought a 2018 Passat, brand spanking new. I bought it in May. I remember when I bought it, May 25th. I had it, and then I was just driving. I love the body style, like I just told you. I love the body styling of the Passat and everything else, but it's underpowered. I mean, if you get the 2.0 T, which this is as well, it's underpowered. I don't know, the 3.6 V6 might be a little better. Right. But again, it costs more money. It's you know, obviously more gas and everything else. So, but with the 2.0 T, it's underpowered. It is what it is. I think it's only like a maybe 200 horsepower, like 180 something maybe. Right. So I was like, okay, man, I gotta have something else because, you know, it was just in me to get something else. I'm a car guy. So I went and bought my car. I went and bought Christine, as you guys know, right? But the reason why I'm looking at this car again is because, like I just explained to him, I don't necessarily need something that's powerful now because I know what I got in the garage and I could go get my fix in whenever I want to with that car. So now I'm like, to be honest, I was like, man, I should have kept my damn car. For real, I should have kept it.
Just bought the other one.
And just bought the other one, and I wouldn't be in this situation right now.
But for what they gave you for it.
That's true. So that's what I was getting at. So let me tell you, man, he's right when he's telling you, man, they're gonna hook you up with a good deal. They're gonna do what they can to make sure they get you in the car. Granted, you know, most people that watch my channel, it's, you know, they have Volkswagens and everything. I mean, they like Mopar, right, Dodges and all that. Right. But if you're just looking to get in the car, man, this Volkswagen, and come to him specifically, a great deal. So let me get to the point. I paid $18,000, almost not even $18,000, almost $18,000 for my car, right? Brand spanking new Passat. And when I went to go trade it in, they gave me a little over $16,000 for it, almost $17,000 for that Passat. And I had it from May through January. So what's that? That's 8 months, 9 months.
Yeah.
Almost 9 months. Let's round it up to a year. And I drive a lot. As you guys know, my car has a lot of miles. I drive a lot. My Passat had, in those 9 months, I think I already had like 14,000 miles. And I still got, I only lost $1,000 on that car.
That's crazy.
I only lost $1,000 on that car to be upside down. So let me tell you, if that doesn't tell you, but all that is saying that he gave me a great deal from the beginning. That's what that's saying. He gave me a great deal from the beginning, because anybody else, if I would end up paying $25,000, which is what the sticker goes for,
you would have lost a lot.
I would have lost a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and say that, man. Kevin and his team over there, man, all the guys over there, they're super cool. What's the other dude's name? The black dude that did
Harris Charles.
Harris Charles?
Yes.
That would say you wanted in 7 states.
Oh, you talking about David Trust?
David, okay. I mean, they're all cool, man. Like I said, they come. He's the
sales manager.
The sales manager. Okay. Every time I come in there, man, whether if I come in there just to talk or BS or whatever. Last time I came, he wasn't even there. But, you know, but they always treat you good, man. Greet you and everything else. You know, they don't like just rush you out because you're not buying today. Get out of here. You know what I'm saying? They always treat you good, man. So make sure you guys come mess with my guy Kevin. If you're looking if you're looking to come and get into something, granted it's not a Mopar or anything else. It's not a Dodge. I understand that, but these are great cars, man. Tell them about the warranties Volkswagen got.
Our new car warranty, 6 years, 72,000 mile bumper to bumper. Can't beat it. It's the best in the industry. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you and then if you have a student in the family that just getting their first cars, man, we got these 2012, 2013, 14 diesel engine. Man, it's crazy good. Crazy good on gas. I mean, engines, and they're safe cars. That's a German-built car.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So y'all come check me out. I'm putting deals together. I'm helping people. You know, sometimes, you know, if you got a little sketchy credit, you know, come see me. I got you. You know what I'm saying? 813-562-7823.
Make sure I come check them out, man. So, what is this one running for?
I gotta look.
Oh, you gotta check on it.
Yeah. I'm looking.
So I would tell you, man, I'll give you guys a rundown on this car, man. So again, this is a 16. It's pretty much the same exact car I had. Does this one have the no, I don't think it does. Mine had the Android Auto.
Yeah. This one that's for the 19. That came in 18, 19.
18, 19, okay.
Yeah.
But still, either way though, man, like I said, it's pretty much literally the same exact car I had. It's just a 16 versus I had an 18. And this one has 24,000 miles.
Yeah, 24,000.
24,000 miles. What's the used car warranty like?
Like 2 years, 24,000 miles.
So I'll still get 2 years and 24,000.
Yeah.
Man, I probably knocked that 24,000 out in about a year. For real, man.
At that point, you can get you a little extended warranty.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But this is a great car though, man. Like I said, the only difference this car really got that I don't got, or that I used to have, this one doesn't have, is the leather. But like I said, this car's gonna be parked outside. It's gonna be whatever. So the leather will probably actually be less, less convenient than this one. This one will stay more. I don't know what's the word I'm looking for. Like more
user friendly.
Homey, I guess if you want to call it that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Especially after you put tinted windows on and stuff like that. You always feel that's cold and it's hard.
Yes. And then in the middle of the summer, leather's hot.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We get that. Shit, we in October. What did we? Yeah, 90 degrees, man. Yeah. We almost in November.
We're just gonna park around front.
Oh, over here?
Yeah.
Okay, I was about to go back over there.
No, you good.
He's like, man, I ain't trying to walk, man. It is hot. It's 90 degrees, man. We in October and it's 90 degrees.
We doing our thing in Florida. Come visit us.
Yeah. I be telling people all the time, do not. Oh, I should.
No, you can go right on the side.
I was like, do not come to Florida in the summertime. You need to come around this time, and it's still hot. see, I would lower mine like that.
Yeah, that is lower. That
is lower, yeah.
Wow.
Exactly how I would lower mine.
You gonna lower this one too?
I would. Yeah. I still, even though it's a daily driver, I still gotta do my thing too.
Right.
I can't just drive around a normal car. I can't do that.
Well, you're a car enthusiast. So
yeah, exactly. I'm a car enthusiast. So I always got to do something, man. Always. I'm going to give y'all a quick walk around of the car, man. Okay, so I would tell you guys, the main thing I love about these Passats, I mean, other than the styling, right? I think the styling is great, man. This one got the little trunk spoiler. I didn't have that one on mine either. But look at this room back here, man. Like, look at this. Look at this. So my kids had so much room in the back, right? So when they come sit down and do everything, man, they need to do, man, they got so much room to sit back here. And, nobody's like climbing on top of each other, nothing like that. They got all the room to put their book bags and all that stuff when I go pick them up from school. They got all the room in the world back there, man. So that's definitely a plus. On top of that, not only there's a room there, but look at this trunk. I remember this trunk being huge. Look at that. Yeah, a couple bodies. You know what I'm saying? You can fit a couple bodies in there. So yeah, man. So look at that, man. That is crazy. So you gotta do any kind of grocery shopping, any kind of whatever, man. Look at that. And then, like I said, I mean, I'm putting this out there for you guys as well. I mean, obviously, I'm looking to buy myself a car, a daily driver. But again, if you don't want a brand new car, man, come get yourself a used car. Come talk to Kevin, man.
813-562-7823. Gotcha. You know what I'm saying?
Go talk to my dude Kevin, man. And look at this. Like I said, this one we gotta check how much it is. But a used Passat, I would imagine it ain't being no more than like between 12 to 15,000.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So look at that, man. A car with 20,000 miles on it, you can buy for 15 grand. At the most, 15 grand. Come on, man. You can't beat that.
No, you can't.
Can't beat that. And you still get warranty and everything else.
Yeah, 2 years, 24,000 miles.
And this is an R line, right?
This
is an R line.
Okay,
It's same like mine. I know you got the wheels and everything else. Oh, I seen it starting to do the new R lines with the sunroof finally.
Yeah. Hello, Captain.
Yeah, man. What you guys think about it, man? So like I said, the only thing is, I know it doesn't have the leather and all that good stuff, but I think personally, I think it still has a nice styling to it. Obviously, man, I would lower this thing, put some wheels on it and everything else. But I still will need to, you know, make it mine and make it dope and everything else.
Oh,
I can't just drive around a normal, you know, just a normal car. So
remember I told you we had.
I'll definitely do something. My bad, he on the phone over there. Doing business, man. He always doing business, man. I'm gonna tell you, man, he get phone calls galore. Damn, I can't park straight. Look at that. I cannot park straight to save my life. But yeah, man. Hey, so tell me what y'all think, man. Should I go and get something like this? I know it's not a Mopar. I know it's not whatever. You guys are gonna be like, come on, man. And I know I was dogging my other car that I had, my other Passat, calling it a grandpa car and everything else. And to be honest, it kind of is. But again, oh, this thing got like a little protective on it too, a little protective film on it. And it kind of is, man. But at the end of the day, the styling is, you can't beat the styling, man. Look at the styling on that thing. Look at that. Look at the styling on that car, man. Looks good. You cannot deny that. Anyway, that's it for me, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. What you guys think about it? Should I pick up something like this? We're gonna go inside and talk about how much it is and everything else. I'm not gonna buy it right now, but you know, we're gonna talk about how much it is and everything else, man. And anyway, because I normally, he already knows, man, whenever I do financing and all that, I go to my own bank and I get my own financing and all that good stuff or whatever through my bank or whatever, right? My credit union. But anyway, man, so let me know what you guys think about it. Should I go ahead and pick this up or what, man? Give a little different perspective what you could do with a Volkswagen Passat and everything else. You guys know Christine is Christine, but we're gonna see what we could do with this too, man. How we could make this thing look. Anyway, man, hit me up, man. Hit it up in the comments and let me know, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys know me, boy FaTkaT, man. For me, my homeboy Kevin. We see y'all in the next one, man. Later.